Good morning and welcome to Beverages with Barbie, where I taste beverages, let you know what I think. I just had a quick little workout at the gym. I had to get some gas, and so I ran into the gas station. I have not seen this one before. This is Ultra Paradise Monster, 0 sugar, 10 calories. At first I grabbed it and I was like, is this lime? Like, I don't know, but Ultra Paradise. So, we'll see. And this one is, I believe, 150 milligrams of caffeine. Pineapple, maybe? I don't know. Huh. What is that flavor? I want to say, does it tell me anywhere? Invigorating island flavors. Yeah, it is very islandy, like very like tropical fruity vibes. Interesting. It's like pineapple-y, peachy, like kiwi. There's a lot of like island like flavors going on here. Yeah, have a great one. Cheers.